Okay, I'm going to show you how to remove the dash panel around the stereo and get to these heater control knobs if you need to replace this. It's pretty simple. Doesn't take too much time. No real tools needed, just a screwdriver or some other kind of real thin pry bar is best. The thinner the screwdriver, the better. Use a thicker one, you got a better chance of damaging this trim on your dashboard here around this piece. This basically just pops out. So what you want to do, there's 6 clips that hold it in. There's one here and here, there's 2 on the top, there's 1 on each side, and there's 1 on each side on the bottom. You can really start on the top or the bottom. Basically you just want to stick your screwdriver in there. Best probably to get it right in the seam, which you might have to pull it, get it out of gear. I already got this one partially loose. Just stick it in there, pry it, it'll pop out. Move over to this side, pop this side out. It's in there kind of tight. You may need to use a little bit of force to get it out, but once you've got enough room to get your fingers in there, it's all you need. It's just enough room to get your fingers in, and you can pop it out. You'll hear it pop. And then once you get those top 2 off, move down here to the bottom, stick your screwdriver in again, and hear it pop. Pop that one out, get your fingers in there, and it just pops right out just like that. Now, once you have it this loose, move my camera here real quick. Look in here from the back, you can see this clip right here. Once you get in there, you can just pop this right out. That just pops right out. Then you got these 3 clips down here for this control mod, actually 4, sorry. 4 harnesses on the heater control knobs on the back of them to pop out. Each one comes out a little bit differently. This one here has a little clip on the bottom. Right here you gotta push in to pop it out. This one here, you have a clip on both sides that needs to be pried out, which is going to be a little hard to do with the camera in my hand. Let's see what I can do here. With one hand. Excuse my camera moving this. Pops out just like that. This one here, again right on top, right here, is a clip. Push that in. Wiggle it out of there. Pops out like that. This last one, it's best to flip the piece over. And probably gonna need a screwdriver. This one sits in there pretty tight. Stick your screwdriver in right there, and you can pry it right back. And just getting hard to do with the camera in my hand, but you get the point basically. Screwdriver in there. Just need to pry that one back, and with 2 hands it will pop right out of there. Once you get that one out, basically you've got 4 screws. 1, 2, same on the other side, each corner. Unscrew those 4 screws. This whole piece pops right out. Put your new one in, screw it back in, reattach your harnesses. Once everything's reattached, just take your whole center console here, line it up, and just push it back in the same way it came out. It'll just pop right back into place. That's how you would remove the center console to get to these control knobs. This is also how you will get to remove the stereo. Exact same way. Remove the center dash. You got these screws right here are your mounting screws for the stereo. Once those are removed, pops out, wiring harnesses in the back. Alright, and this is on an 02 Ford Explorer. It works on other years also. I want to say 98 through 2003, but don't quote me on that. I know it's on an 02. Alright, good luck.